Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add multiple videos on your Instagram story. So let's get started. So firstly, go to your Instagram app and create a story, and you may do this by swiping your screen to the right. And just go to your camera roll. There, select some videos that you want to add to your story. So for instance, let me just show this available videos that I have. And when you click done, you'll see that the videos are now combined. The other video will show after the other one. So if you're satisfied with this, you may share it already with your followers. However, if you want these videos to show simultaneously, we have to use a third-party app. So choose your preferred app, but as for me, I will use CapCut. But take note that most video editing apps have this feature, so just select the first video that you want to add, and then customize the ratio to 9:16. Then edit the video according to your liking, and click overlay, and add overlay and select the second video. So again, just edit it into how you want to present the videos. And once you're done, save the video. As for CapCut, you have to click the arrow pointing upwards and it will start exporting your video. Then go back to Instagram and then repeat the process of creating a story, and then trim your video or edit your video accordingly and click done. And feel free to add music, add text, stickers, filters, and once you're satisfied with everything, click the button with the right arrow and choose your audience, either to your followers or to your close friends, and hit share. And that's how you can add multiple videos to your Instagram story. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!